the engine without the car being on. I have no idea what I'm looking at, by the way. And this is the engine idle. Well, yeah, idle. I think that's the word. Here's from inside the car. It's really dirty. I've been to Scotland, so don't judge me. It just sounds like a purring. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. And here I am from inside the car with some revs. Thanks for looking at the video. I hope it sheds some light, because I have no idea. I'd appreciate all your help. Ignore the accent, it's a dodgy northern Burnley one, so yeah, thanks guys, bye.